A big hello to the staff at Hubs. This training video is specially designed for you. In this training video, we shall show you how to document the process of RTO CV in the ERP. This is applicable to shipments for Flipkart, Myntra and externalization. The Hub's TL or Hub in charge is responsible for the proper RTO CV as well as checking for process non-adherence. Before you start the RTO CV process, make sure you sign into the ERP with your LDAP ID only. Do not share your IDs. Also, make sure that your checking area is in the sight of the camera as it will record your checking process. And finally, your Hub's net speed should be at least 30 megabits per second for a smooth video upload. From this point onwards, please pay attention as we shall be navigating through various screenshots for every step of the process. Also, please download the latest SOP document in case there are any changes. On your ERP homepage, go to the menu on the right and select Shipments. In the drop-down, select RTO Content Verification. You may now start the checking process. Remember, the camera linked to the ERP will come on automatically. Make sure the item being inspected is in the line of focus of the camera. Wow, as you can see in this screenshot, not only is the product being captured clearly, but RTO CV questions are being asked. Even product details and tracking ID is visible. Now, you may choose pass or fail as per the questions asked on the ERP. After this, you may click on Capture Image to click on the image of the product. Once the image is clicked, it becomes a thumbnail. Remember, if the picture is not clear, you can and must re-click it. After completing the questions, the product needs to be packed and shipment labels have to be generated. Remember, this should be done before saving the video. Now, you may paste the ST0, our label, or pack the product on the flyer ID. After this, scan the flyer ID or ST0, our label. And finally, capture a clear label of the shipment of the product and paste with a printed label as well as the sealed product. A word of caution here, in case of refresh, RTO process will have to start from the beginning. Now we come to bagging, which is only for NL. For this, first scan the shipment ID. Then scan the flyer ID to close the bagging. This is similar to RVP bagging. Please note that in case RTO CV bagging is tried for a shipment without completing the process, the bagging will not be allowed. Also, in case of a mismatch, relatching flow should be used. Remember, this is a process deviation and may lead to losses actioning. Therefore, please ensure that the flyer ID scan and labeling is done carefully. Once RTO CV starts, product description and questions will follow. As always, capture the data and images properly. For example, the screenshot you see here is for a mobile. This means that you have to verify the IMEI number with the invoice before clicking on pass or fail. The scanning option will be enabled here later. Now, let's say it passes. Then, this screen will come up. Under the video, put the product in the packing and scan the flyer ID or the now. You may paste the ST0, our label, or pack the product on the flyer ID. After this, scan the flyer ID or ST0, our label. And finally, print the label of the shipment. What happens if the seal check fails? Label. Then print further questions are generated, such as once again we'd like to reiterate that all this brand verification under the camera, accessory check, finally, and damage capture the image of the packed product after this with label. The same process is followed for packing and labeling. We are nearly at the end of this video. So, to quickly recap, please ensure that the entire RTO CV process is done under the camera. Follow the process in the ERP app, especially the questionnaire. And finally, be extra careful when dealing with phones with regards to their seal and IMEI number. Now, this video may seem long, but we can assure you that this entire process takes less than 2 minutes to complete per shipment. As they say, practice makes perfect. If you scan this QR code, you will be taken to an actual footage of the RTO CV process captured on camera. And now, I wish you luck. Good day, my friends.